Miss me?
What's on your mind?
Oh, just thinking how good we look in black.
You like?
I like a lot.
You know, this is more than just a costume.
So, what's your friend MJ have to say about this?
She wants nothing to do with, this costume.
Her loss. I don't care why your costume turns black.
Really?
Black is the new red and blue, Spider. Keep it up.
If I'd known I'd get a reception like this, I would have changed tailors years ago.
This city is going to be ours. You just wait and see.